Surprise! Happy birthday, Nit. Para kami luka-luka rito.
Happy birthday, Nits! Na hindi ko natatanayan kung ilang taong ka. Kasi alam ko, you're still very young. Young at heart and young. Young. Okay. Happy birthday.
Nits, nakita mo may plato dito. This is for you. Birthday, ano namin, celebrate.
Advanced celebration.
And, siyempre, nag-celebrate din ng birthday yung katibo ko. Kaya, magka-date kami ngayon. Anyway, Nits, thank you. Ano muna, si Jeline. Jeline, thank you for giving us this idea. Okay ka. Talaga mahal na mahal mo mami mo. Okay? Alagaan yung mami niya, Nits. Happy birthday and see you soon here. Okay? Dadating ka at saka patingin ng bahay mo. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, Nits. Happy birthday. Enjoy
Huwag ka muna. Huwag ka muna magbabaya. Hi, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ano bang wish namin? Basta, maging happy ka. At saka kung ano man yung gusto mong mangyari, i-grant ni Lord sa'yo. But anyway, just wanted to tell you that we're happy for you and we wish you everything good sa health and sana papuntahin ka uli ni Lord dito.
Yeah. God
Yep.
bless you, Nits. At sana nga, wish you all the best. At saka, Nits, ano ha, alam ko, retiree ka na, pero
Yan bang batang retiree?
pero hindi ka naman retarded, di ba? Anyway, Nits, thank you for everything. At saka talaga, magkita tayo dito. Yun lang.
Thank you for the friendship.
Yeah.
We miss you. Love you.
Okay, Nits.
And enjoy the party.
Ay, saan ba ang party pala? Saan to?
Hindi ka kumbitado.
Oy, teka. Jeline, wag mong edit ito ha. Mahaba to. Okay. Happy birthday again, Nits. I
Love
love you.
you.
Bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.